students, how are you? Hope you all are doing good, and so am I. Let's start with today's class. Students, when a pendulum is oscillating across its mean position with a frequency of 5 cycles per second, it is associated with production of certain types of sound. Is that sound audible to us? Let's find the answer to this question in this lesson. Students, today we will learn study of sound and we will cover topics velocity of sound, audible infra and ultrasound. Sound is a form of energy which creates the sensation of hearing in our ears. This energy is in the form of waves. A medium is necessary for the propagation of sound waves, give rise to a chain of compression and rarefaction in the medium. The particles of the medium oscillate about their central or mean position in direction parallel to the propagation of the wave. Such waves are called longitudinal waves. On the other hand, in the waves created by dropping a stone in a still water, the particles of water oscillate up and down. These oscillations are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the waves, and such waves are called the transverse wave. A sound wave can be shown in the form of graph. At any moment during the propagation of sound wave, we would find alternate bands of compression and rarefaction of the medium, that is, bands of greater and lesser density. This figure shows the changes in the density. Figure B shows the changes in pressure. The changes in density or pressure are shown in the form of graph in figure C. The wavelength of sound wave is indicated by the Greek letter lambda and its frequency is indicated by nu. The amplitude, which is the maximum value of pressure or density, is indicated by capital A. The time taken for one oscillation of pressure or density at a point in the medium is called the time period and is indicated by capital T. The value of frequency determines the pitch of the sound, while the value of the amplitude determines the strength or loudness. Student, let's perform an activity. Take your friend to a place where there are iron pipes. Example, school veranda, a staircase or fence. Stand near one end of the pipe. Ask the friend to stand 20 to 25 feet away from you near the pipe. Ask the friend to gently tap the pipe with a stone. Press your ear to the pipe and listen to the sound coming through the pipe. The same sound coming through the air can also be heard, but which sound reaches you first, one by one, and allow them to fly in the dark, thereby discovering how they can fly easily in the dark. He found that the bats with their ears covered began to collide with whatever came in their path, even though their eyes were open. They were of no use to the bats. He thus discovered that their ability to fly in the dark depends on their ears and not in the eyes. The ultrasonic sound produced by bats gets reflected on hitting an obstacle. This reflected sound is received by their ears and they can locate the obstacle and estimate its distance even in the dark. Students, let's see few uses of ultrasound. For communication between ships at sea, it is used to join plastic surface together. It is used to sterilize liquids like milk by killing the bacteria in it so that milk can be kept for longer duration. It is also used in echocardiography, which studies heartbeats. It is based on ultrasonic waves, which is known as sonography technology. To obtain images of internal organs in human body, ultrasounds are used. In industry, to clean intricate parts of machines where hands cannot reach, and to locate the cracks and faults in the metals blocks. Students, in this lesson we have studied velocity of sound and audible, infrared and ultrasound. Let's solve some MCQ to check how much we have understood. The first question is, the particles of the medium oscillate about its central or mean position in a direction parallel to the propagation of the wave. Such waves are called dash. And the options are option A, B, C or D. Students, the correct answer is option B, longitudinal way. That's all for this video. I hope you understood it well. Thank you students. Bye. Happy learning.